I'm PamOnSunset and we're testing cookies! What the what? If you're new here, we're testing a tutorial by Laura in the kitchen. And I'll find out if it's worth your time or not. This is what hers look like, and I'm terrified because I don't know if I can make mine look that cute. Look at those little hearts. How do you get the little heart? Later, I'll give you tips on how to make yours better than whatever dumpster fire I end up making. For all you beautiful, like-clicking button angels out there, let's find out the real deal on this DIY.
Alex is here. He's helping make the cookies.
We're not gonna make the complete recipe right now. If you want that, it's in the description. Here's just some fun moments of us attempting to make it. Mix it up, baby, mix it up. We need to add the vanilla. Wrap it up like it's going to sleep. Night night, little dough.
You gotta kiss it though.
We're gonna keep going with this train wreck. And
I think it's great.
We'll let you know how it turns out later. Before I show you what's underneath the box, I'm gonna give you my tips. Tip number 1, Laura's written recipe doesn't ever tell you where to put the salt in. It does say it in the video, but I was following the written one, so I never put it in. Tip number 2, Laura said to make sure that the butter was warm. So my first batch, I didn't leave it out for very long. Let's try rolling this out. It's so hard. Oh no, it's cracking. Don't be impatient when you're baking. I want you to make sure that when you touch the butter, it feels soft, because my second batch definitely came out better.
Already this feels better.
It's softer. The edges are hard.
That's how you could describe me.
What?
Hard on the edges, but soft on the inside.
Tip number 3, Laura said to cook the cookies for 10 to 15 minutes. I checked my first batch at 10 minutes. They seemed overcooked. I don't think these need to be in there for a whole 10 minutes.
Well, didn't it say until they're golden brown? Whoop. I'm sorry.
So my second batch, I just kind of kept an eye on. If I were you, I would just keep watching instead of just setting a timer. Oh, I have a bonus tip for you. We didn't want to buy a second small heart cookie cutter, so we made our own contraption.
We found, what is this called?
I don't know.
This is some sort of crafting wire. You can probably see that it's not exactly straight or everything, but it's for a cookie, so I figure when it bakes, it'll be fine.
Look homemade with love. Let's see if it works. It definitely helped, but if you were gonna try it, I would recommend maybe using a thicker wire. Perhaps a coat hanger? And now it's time for what you've all been waiting for, the big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ooh! As a reminder, here's what Laura's looks like, here's what mine looks like, and I think they're pretty close. Mine looks slightly more homemade, but it's a cookie, so that's alright, I think. Ooh, oh, gosh. These cookies are from my first batch, these cookies are from my second batch. These are a little overcooked, but these ones came out pretty good. So with my tips, I think you'll be successful. Here we go. I don't really think that they need salt. Maybe it makes it rise more. Yummy cookie dance, yummy cookie dance. So you want to know, is this recipe worth it? And I think it's totally worth it. You could easily make these cookies for Valentine's Day for anybody. And I think with my tips, you would end up with some really, really delicious cookies. I want you to make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this content, join the Pam Fam, we're really fun, and have yourself a super happy Valentine's Day. I love you, Pam Fam!